Today I'm gonna pick up my tomato because tomato is already, the weather is already get cold, so I cannot keep them here anymore. I'm gonna go ahead and pick it up. Organic tomato, guys. Go ahead, pick it up. Basically, I'm gonna pick the whole thing right here, like that. Go ahead, pick up all of this, guys, all of this, because it's winter time coming soon, so they're not gonna be survive anymore. So go ahead, I'm gonna make sauce, okay, tomato sauce. Yep, it's right there. Yeah, I've got only one hand, so I'm just go ahead and pick up one by one, like that. To pick up a lot of tomato. Wow, you don't believe what I found. Look at this, guys. Wow, look at this. Oh. Two of them. I don't know why they go like around like this. This flower right here, guys, I save them for next year so I can plant this. This smells so good. Oh, no wonder you can make tea of this. It smells so good. You know, I'm gonna go ahead and pick up too, you know. I think I can make tea of this. Try. Smell good, I'm gonna let you know. Pick up all of this all organic. I'm gonna make tomato sauce. Put it in the freezer, we can eat. Winter time, I can make hot tomato sauce. I already got here. I picked up last time, and this is more pick up. So I'm gonna go ahead and make sauce today. I'm gonna show you how to do this. Alright, guys, keep watching. Okay, organic tomato already clean. I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to make sauce of tomato and garlic and hot pepper. Okay, and this is tomato. I'm gonna go ahead put this one together. I'm gonna add more tomato, and then I'm gonna go ahead put spring water. Just keep boiling. Alright, everything ready, and turn on the stove and cook until they're melting. After, I'm gonna show you how to seasoning of the tomato sauce, guys. You can dip with grilled fish, steak, dip with vegetable, all kinds. So that's good. Cook, I think 1 hour. Okay, let me go stew for 1 hour. Okay, I'll be back. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and add sauce. Add the sauce in here. Salt for here first. Okay, tomato cooks already cooked, and I'm gonna let them cool down. I'm gonna go smash them up with seasoning. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and smash it down. It's already cooking for 1 hour. This is my special machine right here, guys. Okay, very easy. I love this machine right here. Look at this, guys, so good. You can dip with the chip if you want to. Okay, this is fish sauce. Thai fish sauce. I'm gonna put 2 spoons. Alright, fish sauce 2 spoons. Okay, this is the last fish sauce. I'm gonna put 1 spoon. This brown sugar, just a brown and make it taste good, and stir. See how it tastes. The chicken powder. perfect. So delicious. That's it, guys. So good. Now you can dip with vegetable or fish or beef, any kind, or put on top of rice or dip it with chip. This is so sesame. Now you can dip it chip, throw the chip down there. Awesome. Okay, next some. Good.
That's good.
Hold on. Yeah. Is it good? Spicy?
It's delicious. Good spice, good taste.
Really good. Wow. Delicious. Delicious. You cannot stop. This organic tomato sauce, guys. Thank you for watching. See you next video. Bye bye. Yeah, forgot about this.
Cheers. Can't forget that.
Yeah.
Happy hour.
Yeah, happy hour at home.
Thursday.